L'indignation, oui, bien sûr, l'indignation de voir l'Algérie replongée dans la censure et les arrestations d'opposants, l'indignation de la voir emprisonner un écrivain de renom septuagénaire, détenteur, pour citer Kateb Yassine, de ce butin de guerre qu'est le français, l'indignation de voir l'Algérie privée de la liberté que l'indépendance lui promettait, l'indignation, oui, mais la peine, plus encore. Car mer, montagne, désert, gaz et pétrole, l'Algérie ne devrait être qu'abondance et beauté.
European Parliament demands release of Algerian writer Boualem Sansal. Brussels, Belgium. The European Parliament has overwhelmingly adopted a resolution calling for the immediate and unconditional release of Algerian writer Boualem Sansal, who has been detained in Algeria since November 2024. The resolution passed with a strong majority of 533 votes in favor, 24 against, and 48 abstentions. Sansal, a 75-year-old author known for his criticism of the Algerian regime, was arrested on November 16, 2024. The European Parliament's resolution condemns his arrest and calls for his immediate release, also denouncing the arrests of other activists, journalists, and human rights defenders in Algeria. French deputies divided. Among French deputies, there was a notable divergence of opinions. While the vast majority of French members of the European Parliament supported the resolution, Rima Hassan of La France Insoumise voted against it, and Manan Aubry, also of La France Insoumise, abstained. Hassan has not publicly explained her reasons for voting against the resolution, leading to questions and criticism. Aubry, while abstaining, also did not provide detailed explanations for her decision. Broad support and uncertain impact. The resolution was backed by all political groups in the European Parliament, with the exception of some divisions within the left group. The strong support from French deputies, regardless of their political affiliations, underscores the importance placed on freedom of expression and human rights. However, the impact of this resolution on Sansal's situation remains uncertain, given the strained diplomatic relations between the EU and Algeria, particularly over energy and trade issues. The contrasting positions of Hassan and Aubry have sparked debates within the European left, highlighting divisions on this sensitive issue.
Que l'indépendance lui promettait. L'indignation, oui, mais la peine, plus encore. Car mer, montagne, désert, gaz et pétrole, l'Algérie ne devrait être qu'abondance et beauté. Peu de pays ont tant de richesses naturelles et l'Algérie bénéficie en plus d'un mélange de cultures à nul autre pareil, kabyle et arabe, ottomane et française, musulmane, chrétienne et juive. L'Algérie pourrait être tout à la fois le plus universaliste des pays et la Californie. Mais aujourd'hui, elle n'est hélas que le butin de prédateurs, cultivant la rancœur historique afin de toujours mieux piller leur pays, le bâillonner et le ruiner.